Hi everyone, this time let's focus on how to choose the excellent TWS earbuds. First, let's look at these models. AirPods Pro, $249. Jaybird Elite 75, $179. Powerbeats Pro, $199. Libertones Check Air sold in the China mainland market, 1,898 yen, equal to 271 US. All of these models are the excellent TWS earbuds, but the price is too high. If you can follow me, you can buy the excellent TWS earbuds at a much lower price. First, let's see what are the key components in a TWS earbuds. First, Bluetooth chipset. Generally speaking, the ranking of the chipset is as below: Qualcomm, BES, Realtek, Arrowhead, PixArt, JL Jelly, which is a Chinese brand. The performance of this chipset is slightly slower than the above chipsets, but the price is very competitive, so its market share is increasing now. Second, speaker unit. Obviously, the speaker unit is the important factor in sound quality. Third, battery. Battery determines the playback time and even the product's safety, so this part is very important. The important points to focus on when choosing TWS earbuds. First, Bluetooth connection. Check if the Bluetooth connection is stable and the distance is enough or not, both indoor and outdoor. Second, sound quality. After all, TWS earbuds are audio products. High quality sound is essential. Third, controllability. Check if it is convenient to use your TWS earbuds to control your devices. 4. Ergonomic fitting. Take care of your ears. Make sure it is comfortable to wear your earbuds. Being able to move and exercise without the earbuds falling off is also an important factor. Fifth, nice design. TWS earbuds are wearing items, and awesome design is essential. After all, nobody wants to look like an alien. Sixth, the manufacturer. Decent factories make decent products, especially for TWS earbuds. Most of the parts are very small. Only good managed factories can produce high quality products. The advanced test equipment are also essential for making high quality TWS earbuds. Our company have both the excellent management team and the advanced test equipment. Now follow me to have a look at our factory. This is our production line. This is our technician, our QC, our test station. This is the RF testing. Test the Bluetooth distance. How far the Bluetooth signal can transfer. As you can see, we know the TWS earbuds well. We have the excellent management team and the advanced test equipment. And our price is very competitive. It's a smart choice to buy TWS earbuds from us. You are welcome to visit our factory or our website. If you need more information, please contact us. We are waiting for you in Shenzhen, China. See you next time. Thank you.